Hi, it's me, Leila! And so, guess what? It's finally here! My August box! I can't wait to unbox this new box. So let's get started! Let's see what Justice has sent. Oh my lord. I'm just gonna take everything out of the box because this is so huge, okay? Okay. So first up we have these adorable headphones. First they go all silver, but then when you get to the part where you put it on your ears, it's all pink, and on the sides it says Live Justice. I just love this. And under the silver, there's some white. I mean, this headphones are so amazing. Thank you, Justice, for giving me these awesome headphones. Let's see what else we have. We have this cheetah stationery kit. Guys, I'm going to open this up. So let's open this up. Ooh, I can't wait to see what surprises they have in store. So first thing I grabbed was this Live Justice cheetah print folder. And then next I grabbed this Live Justice big, huge notepad. Oh my god, it's so big, so cute. And next we have these kitten stickers. Oh, the stickers, so cute. I love them. Next we have this cute Live Justice pencil sharpener. And it says Live Justice. I love it. And then next we have this Live Justice pencil pouch with the cat on it. So pretty. Oh, and the glitter and the cheese spots, all great. And then next I grabbed this Live Justice pencil that I can sharpen with the sharpener. And then next I have this Live Justice notepad. Then next I have this Live Justice ruler. Boom bam, boom bam, bam. And then next I have this Live Justice eraser. And you want to see something? I think it might just work. Yep, the eraser goes with the pencil. On the bottom, the bumpity kitty boop. Last but not least, we have this my favorite color, pink cheetah printed bag. It has this so fuzzy pom-pom. And it always says, Live Justice, live justice. And it has glitter. The words in silver, Live Justice, and they have glitter on them. Justice is all about glitter. Thank you, Justice, for my August box. If you want to learn more about Girls with Heart or how to live justice, just go to the Justice website and we'll link it down below. And if you want to see more of my unboxings, just make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, so that way you can always be tuned in on the latest videos. Bye!